Yo, stop scrolling. These aren't spies. They're cats, and they talk. Yeah, you heard that right. 6 loud, dramatic, absolutely chaotic talking cats.
Cat 1 cannonballs into a bucket yelling, "I'm cold!" Cat 2 screams, "Doo-goo!" Dog smashes in like it's summit. Cat 3 spins
Ellie,
on
what
the
do we say
counter,
when it's time for
shouting,
breakfast?
"Yahoo! Breakfast
Yahoo!
time!" Cat
Excuse
4
me.
dangling from a
How
curtain
did you
rod
even
says,
get up there?
"I don't know, like it's totally normal."
Well, how do you expect me to get you down?
Cat
I'm
5
too short.
paces like a tiny maniac yelling, "Nicole! Nicole!"